Good morning, my little Montfortians. Hope you all are fine and well. Students, today we will start our new chapter of English literature. Okay, so everybody open this page 21 in your book, write and treat, and the greatest on the top. So we will start with chapter number 4, that is Tuk Tuk's New Bicycle. So we will read this chapter, and along with the chapter, we will do the back exercise also. So what we will do today? Today we will do reading of this chapter and we will do the back exercise, and you all have to do the back exercise in your book. Okay, so let's start with the reading. But before reading, we will write the date on the top. Fine. So let us start. Okay, so hope you all have written date 12 July 2021 and the great task. So this is our chapter Tuk Tuk's New Bicycle. First of all, we will read these words which are in from the chapter. WISHED, wished. WATCHED, watched. BOUGHT, bought. SHONE, shown. Shown is the past form of shine. Okay, shown. BEHIND, behind. WOBBLED, wobbled. BALANCE, balance. You all have to underline these words. Okay, let's start with the reading. Tuk Tuk wished he had a bicycle. Tuk Tuk wished. He wished means wanted that he also had a bicycle. All his friends had bicycles because his all friends were having bicycles. He watched his friends ride their bicycles to school. He always watched his friends that they are going to school, they are riding the bicycle and they are going on their bicycle to school. So he also wanted a bicycle like his friends. Oh, I wish I too had a bicycle. Tuk Tuk said. Tuk Tuk said, oh, I wish means I also had a bicycle. When Tuk Tuk turned 8, his mother bought him a red bicycle for his birthday. When he was 8 years old, his mother bought a new bicycle for him on his birthday, red bicycle. Tuk Tuk was very happy. I always wanted a bicycle. Now I can ride with my friends. So he always wanted bicycle. This was his wish. So he got the bicycles. Now he wanted to ride the bicycle with his friend. But Tuk Tuk did not know how to ride a bicycle. But he was not knowing how to ride it. Every day he cleaned his bicycle so that it shone. Every day he cleaned his bicycle so that it shone. Shone means past form of shine. Okay, you know the meaning of shine. I wish I could ride it. He thought I wish I could also ride it like my other friends. Tuk Tuk come and ride with us. His friends called him. Tuk Tuk come. We will ride the bicycles. Ride bicycle with us. He thought, Tuk Tuk come and ride with us. His friends called him. I will ride with you tomorrow. TOMORROW, tomorrow. Now, when his friends called him, what he said? He said, I will ride with you tomorrow. Right now, I am cleaning my bicycle, Tuk Tuk said. Right now, I am cleaning my bicycle, he said. Tuk Tuk did not tell anyone that he could not ride the bicycle. But he did not tell his friend that he could not ride the bicycle. He was just trying to hide it. Every day, Tuk Tuk would go to the park and try to ride his bicycle. Every day, he go to the park and he tried to ride the bicycle over there. But he kept falling from his bicycle. He even hurt himself once. When we also started learning the bicycle, we also fall from the bicycle, and we also get hurt also. Yes. One day, Tuk Tuk's friend Jaya She is Jaya. She is Tuk Tuk's friend. Saw him trying to ride his bicycle. She saw that Tuk Tuk is trying to ride the bicycle. Tuk Tuk, she called. She called him by his name, Tuk Tuk. Let me hold the bicycle so that you can ride. Let me hold the bicycle. I will hold the bicycle and you will ride the bicycle. Next paragraph. Jaya held the bicycle and ran behind Tuk Tuk. He tried to ride the bicycle but fell. So many times he tried to ride the bicycle but he fell. But he tried and tried again. Tuk Tuk tried again. This time he wobbled but did not fall. Wobble means his cycle is moving here and there, but he did not fall. This time he wobbled but he did not fall. So Tuk Tuk tried and tried again. This time he wobbled but he did not fall. Wobble means he was moving here and there, like in Hindi we say डगमगाना. So उसकी साइकिल डगमगा रही थी, means it was moving but he did not fall from the bicycle. Okay, next paragraph. I can balance, I can ride. Tuk Tuk shouted in joy. Now Tuk Tuk shouted in joy. I can balance my bicycle. I can ride my bicycle. Tuk Tuk rode faster and faster. Jaya ran behind him. Tuk Tuk was riding the bicycle fast, so fast, and Jaya was running after him. Yippee! He was happy because he learned how to ride the bicycle. So what he said, yippee! Yelled Tuk Tuk. I can balance, I can ride. Tuk Tuk thanked Jaya for helping him. He was happy that he had kept trying. So he yelled, he shouted with joy. Yippee! Yelled Tuk Tuk. I can balance, I can ride. Tuk Tuk thanked Jaya for helping him. He was happy that he kept trying. Okay, so let us do the back says now. This is matches. We will do it. You can draw the lines or you can write the numbers. Tuk Tuk was a little boy of 8 years old. Tuk Tuk's mother gave him a bicycle. He cleaned the bicycle so that it shone. Jaya helped Tuk Tuk ride the bicycle. Tuk Tuk thanked Jaya for helping him. So these are matches. Now let's move to the next question. Complete the sentences first. Tuk Tuk wished he had a bicycle. Tuk Tuk watched his friends ride their bicycle to school. Tuk Tuk did not tell anyone that he could not ride a bicycle. Tuk Tuk kept falling from his bicycle. Next is Jaya held the bicycle and ran behind Tuk Tuk. So these are, you have to complete the sentences. So you will complete it according to the chapter, story of the chapter. Okay. Next is home task. This you will do yourself. Read the words, tell your partner what you can do. What you can do, you will tell that what you can do. So whatever you can do, you will tick here. Like if you can play football, you can tick on play football. Same way you will do yourself. This is your home task. Next is rearrange the letters to name these games. These are the name of the games. These, so you have to rearrange it. Let us rearrange. So this is cricket. CRICKET, cricket. This is FOOT, foot. BALL, ball. And this is TENNIS, tennis. And this is BASKET, basket. BALL, basketball. Okay. Next question. Filling the blanks with do or does. So you have to fill do or does. Let me tell you where we use do or where we use does. With singular noun, where one thing is there, we use does, and with plural noun, we use do. Okay, when one thing is there, we will write does, means where we will use s or es, and when plural thing is there, many things are there, we are talking about plural, then we will write do. Okay. dash you have a marker pen. So you we consider as plural. I told you with you we are writing you are. So we are not using you is. So you is we consider a plural now. So what you will write here? Plural. So do you have a marker? Next is Bijoy. Bijoy is one person. So with one person we will write does. Okay. I. With I we don't write does because with I we are using am also. So with I we will not write yes. Here do will come. Okay. I do not remember. I does not remember is wrong. So we will write I do not remember when I kept the book. So with I we always use do. Learn it. With I we always use do. Never does comes. That is wrong. Next, dash your school. Dash your school have a playground. So we are talking about school here. Your school, about school. So school is singular now. So we will write does. Okay, we will not see your. We will see your school means we are talking about school. School is one singular noun. So we will write does. Next is we. We is plural. So we will write do. We will not write does because we is plural. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, next page. Look at the example and write about your favorite toy. Here I have written about a favorite toy. So you can write yourself also about your favorite toy. My favorite toy is robot. My grandmother gave it to me on my birthday. It can move around the house. It can sing happy birthday to you. So in same way I have written my favorite toy is car. My mother gave me on my birthday. I like it very much. I can open and close its doors. So you can write about your favorite toy as well. That is your wish. Next, circle the toys you like to play with. You can circle all of them. If you like all the toys, you can circle all also. If you don't like all, some of them you like, then you can circle only those. Okay, like if you like football, both. So we can circle here. Okay, so that is your wish. Which toy? If you write, if you like blocks, if you like to play drum, whatever game you like to play, you will circle it. If you want to circle all, it's your wish, you can circle all. So this is our back exercise and this is our literature chapter reading. So we have read this chapter today. So everybody has to read it carefully. Then you have to complete the back exercise. Okay, so till the time, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.